Hello students, welcome to my channel. We are learning the unit number systems. In the last video, we have learnt about real numbers and their decimal expansions. Now, there are two cases, that is when remainder equals 0 and remainder never becomes 0. When remainder equals 0, then it is a terminating decimal expansion. When never becomes 0, it is non-terminating and recurring decimal expansion. When r equals 0, we call the number as rational number. When r never becomes 0, then it is a rational number. Now, in this video, we learn or we prove few examples how non-terminating recurring decimal expansions can be rational numbers. Now we shall solve few examples. Show that 0.333 it's repeating, which is equal to 0.3 dash, can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, q is not equal to 0. Let x equals 0.3 recurring, that is 0.3 dash. The dash represents the 3 is repeating, recurring. Let us assume x equals 0.3 recurring, 3 is recurring. Now I'll multiply the equation 1, that is x equals 0.3 recurring, by 10. Multiply equation 1 by 10. Now the question is, why I should multiply by 10? Now, how many digits are recurring here? If you see, only one digit, that is 3 is recurring. Number of digits which is recurring is 1. If one digit is recurring, then we should multiply by 10. If two digits are recurring, we should multiply by 100. 3 means 1000. Therefore, number of digits which is recurring is 1. Therefore, I will multiply by 10. Therefore, 10 into x is 10x. Now, 0.3 recurring can be written as 0.333, and the list will go on. Now, one decimal point will be moved because I am multiplying by 10. It becomes 3.3 recurring. I will take this as equation 2. Now, subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. Now, 10x minus x, that is LHS and LHS, then RHS, that is 3.3 recurring minus 0.3 recurring. Now 10x minus x is 9x, which is equal to 3.0. 3 recurring and 3 recurring will be cancelled. We get 9x equals 3, x equals 3 by 9, 3 1s are 3 3s are. Now x equals what? X equals 1 by 3. Now what we have assumed? We have assumed x as 0.3 recurring, which is equal to 1 divided by 3. What is the value of p and q? P equals 1 and q equals 3. I have expressed 0.3 recurring, that is non-terminating recurring decimal expansion in the form of p by q. Hence, I can say that 0.3 recurring is a rational number, where p equals 1, q equals 3. Show that 1.272727 goes on, which is equal to 1.27 recurring, can be expressed in the form of p by q. First step, let us assume x equals 1.27 recurring. Number of digits which is recurring here is 2. Hence, I will multiply equation 1 by 100, because number of digits which is recurring, repeating is 2. Hence, I'll multiply equation 1 by 100. Now, equation 1 becomes x into 100 is 100x. Now, 1.27 recurring becomes 127.27 recurring. 2 decimal point will be moved. Now, this becomes equation 2. Now, subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. Now, we get 100x minus x which is equal to 127.27 recurring minus 1. Now 100x minus x which is equal to 99x. Now 127 minus 1 is 126. 27 recurring minus 27 recurring will cancel out. We get 127 minus 1 is 126. X equals 126 divided by 99. Now we have a common factor. 9 11s are and 9 14s are. We get x equals 14 by 11. Therefore, what we have assumed x as x equals 1.27 recurring which is equal to 14 by 11. What is p here? P equals 14, q equals 11. Therefore, I have expressed 1.27 recurring, that is non-terminating recurring decimal expansion as p by q. Now example 3 show that 0.2353535 which is equal to 0.235 recurring can be expressed in the form of p by q. Let us assume x equals 0.235 recurring. Please observe only the number 35 is recurring. Only 35 is recurring. Now the first step is I'll move the 2 before the point. To move the digit before the point, I should multiply it by 10. I am moving only one digit, therefore multiply it by 10. It becomes 10 into x is 10x. It becomes 2.35 recurring. 2.35 recurring. Now how many digits are recurring? Now 2 digits are recurring. Multiply equation 1 by 100. Multiply equation 1 by 100. Now 100 into 10x is 1000x. 100 into 10 is 1000 times x which is equal to 2.35 recurring becomes 235.35 recurring. Move decimal point after 2 digits. Now equation 2 minus equation 1. Now 1000x minus 10x which is equal to 235.35 recurring minus 2.35 recurring. Now the recurring decimal expansion will cancel out. 1000x minus 10x is 990x, 990x. Now the recurring decimal expansion will cancel out. 235 minus 2 is 233. X equals 233 divided by 990. Now there is no common factor between 233 and 990. Therefore x equals 233 divided by 990, where x is 0.235, where 35 is recurring, can be expressed as 233 divided by 990, where p equals 233 and q equals 990. Students, hopefully you have understood the 3 problems what you have solved. Now express the following in the form of p by q, where p, q belongs to z. That is, these 3 questions for your practice. To practice, try to find out the answer by yourself. Thank you for watching the video. If you find my videos are useful, please subscribe the channel.